Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to self-massage your knee to get rid of pain. This will be a simple massage tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Many people experience knee pain. Even myself, I get knee pain when I've been on my feet for too long. And I figured out a way to self-massage that pain away. This works for me. I've recommended it to my parents and it's worked for them. My in-laws, it's worked for them. It's a very simple 4-step process that will allow you to sort of get rid of the pain. Is it a permanent fix? No. But does it help relieve the pain for several hours to even several days? Yes. First things first, the first exercise or step is to get your fists, okay? And I'm just gonna actually remove my phone from my pocket because I don't want to hurt my fists. But you want to get your fists, you want to close them up like that, and you want to lightly tap all around your thigh, okay? All around your quads. Believe it or not, a lot of your knee pain is caused by your quad muscles being tight, right? Because as you can see, if I flex my quads right now, my kneecap actually pulls up like that, as you can see. So when your quads are tight, when the muscles are tight, okay, when they're agitated, it's going to loosen them up, which is what we're doing right now, which is going to significantly relieve your knee pain, okay? You're not pounding on your legs. Like little light taps like this is more than what you need, all that you need. That's the first exercise, the first thing that you want to do. The second thing is you want to get the heel of your hand, you want to glide it down your leg until your knee and stop. Don't go pushing your kneecap down yet. Glide it down your knee and stop. Obviously, and you want to work your way all around the various aspects of the leg, okay? Just like that. Just like that. It's really going to do a number on loosening up those quads, releasing those muscles and ligaments and tendons all around the kneecap that are causing it to give you pain, to cause pain and to cause stress, okay? The third thing that you want to do is use your fingers and you want to work your way around the kneecap. So you literally want to take your fingers, not hard. This is very important to not go too hard around this. But there are several things around your kneecap, not underneath, but around your kneecap that will really cause you to have pain if they're not sort of massaged. So what you're doing is you're essentially massaging out the pain. Go around your kneecap. Only go as hard as you need to feel comfortable, right? If you're feeling pain, stop. Go lighter. Like you can literally go like this and it will be better than nothing. So I can personally go like this. I can dig them down and it actually feels great. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I was experiencing just a slight bit of knee pain. It feels much better right now. Okay, so that's the third thing. Now, the fourth thing that you want to do is you want to get your palm of your hand, open it up. You want to place it directly on top of the kneecap, and you want to rub in a circular motion. That's going to hit on the angles, the various angles of the kneecap. So by rubbing in a circular motion like this, you're flexing the kneecap a little bit, and you're allowing it to sort of loosen up everything that's holding it in place, like a rubber band. A rubber band that's a bit too tight, you're loosening it up a bit. That's the best way to describe it. Do that. And you want to do each of these exercises for, I don't know, I would say about a minute each. So in 4 minutes to 5 minutes, you're going to severely reduce your kneecap pain, your knee pain, by self-massaging. And that's it. It's literally as simple as that. That is how you self-massage to get rid of knee pain. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.